Hi guys, with another video. This is the unit, luxury unit that on sale. So let's go ahead and look around. And when you enter from this door, and you see right away the kitchen on right your side, right there, kitchen. As you see, other wall has a picture, and this unit is 850 square feet, and as you see the kitchen, lights are underneath the cabinet is, yeah, as you see, itself is closed, maybe, okay, it's getting there. I think it's, yeah, itself is closed almost, there. Okay, here you are, oven is here, as you see, really German, made German. And here is the wash as the lights here, fan and lights. And if we go a little further, we see the table, dinner table. Let's say this corner is like dining room, yeah, and the other place is, as you see, living room. That's small. You can put the TV right there, and plants are here, and right there. And as you see, there's a big picture, modern picture, lights. This is the light. And as you see, if I go the further, windows, yeah, huge windows, then you can see the outside big buildings. And in LA, as you see, look at this, can't say everything, yeah. If you go back to, like, you want to see the opposite way, the door and kitchen, dining table, and living room, couch, and TV you can put right there. And here the carpet and table. And let's go further, and you turn this right side, and there's a hall. And you go further, there's, yeah, shelf and picture. Yeah, you can put whatever you wanna put this place. And this is the room that you will enjoy right here. Still, you can see the outside, huge window, and you can see the outside again from your room. Yeah, as you see. These are the cabinets that you can put your dress. Here too, right here, maybe shoes. And as you see again, this corner, I just making it clear that it looks so good, modern, luxury unit. Yeah. Let's go and see the bathroom. There's the bathroom. There is it. As you see, toilet, sink, and right side picture, and yeah, can hang the towels here, and bathtub. Whenever you're tired, and jump in and relax. Yeah, 850 or 40 square feet. Here, let's see what's that. Oh, washer and dryer here. And again, dining table. And another angle, I am showing this unit. Right, this angle. So again, oven, kitchen, another angle I am showing. So this is it. Oh, I didn't show you the refrigerator. And here from far I can show and get closer. And look like cabinet. If you see this, you're not gonna understand that refrigerator. Oh, also there's a bar right here, as you see. Okay, this is it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you soon with another video. Thank you. Bye.